It's that time again. What sold time, considering that it has been slow. Yeah, it's been slow for us too. Simple sales for good profit. Hi everyone, I'm Vicki with Avante-Avenue. Welcome to our channel. Yes, sales have been slow for us too. And maybe that's why I put off putting out a what sold video. There are a lot of reasons, as I'm sure you know, that sales are slow. One of our subscribers watched one of my older videos from 2 years ago, which was about what do I know today? What would I do differently today that I didn't know then, way back when we started eBay. My answer was, well, if I tell you what I would do differently, I would have to practice what I preach. So what is that? What do I say when the economy is so bad and gas prices are so high and it's getting harder and harder to make sales? Not for everyone. Some people just find those great items over and over when they're sourcing and they have consistently great sales. And some of us just do okay. And some of us, we have sales, good sales. What we've sold, I think we made pretty good profit on. But it doesn't mean that we've had a lot of sales. Partly our fault, partly not. Oh, back to that question, what would I do differently? Do you really want to hear this? What I would do differently and what we're trying to do differently is slow down on the buying. Slow down on buying. Hard to do, right? For a reseller. So what do we do when sales are slow? Most resellers, most YouTubers will tell you, you have to suck it up, buttercup, and list. Okay, yeah, we can list. Can we control the sales? Maybe if we find the right things to list. But what else can we do? Well, common sense tells me that if we're not bringing in the dough, if we're not raking in the money as much as we were 6 months ago, maybe, just maybe, we should slow down on our spending. Just a little bit, slow down. So what we're doing is when we're outsourcing, which we've reduced to about 1 day a week, by the way, we are looking for the best things that we can find, preferably $30 and up value, and we're bringing home a lot less. So good to have a little bit of fun, but not as much fun as we had last summer at the garage sales and church sales. We've really slowed down on buying. Okay, so what else can we do? How many of you have inventory in your stash pile, your profit pile, your death pile, some people call it? I prefer profit pile. I don't think it's the best time to be going out and spending a lot of money, coming from the standpoint that most of us have sufficient inventory, probably, I bet we do, in our homes, in our basements, in our garages, that we could list. So what's the point of going out and buying tons and tons more inventory when we have tons and tons of inventory that we've already brought home and we haven't listed? We might have checked comps when we bought it, but how long ago was that? Be honest, how long ago was it that you checked comps on those items? Because if it sits too long, the next time you go to list it, the value might be a lot less. Could be. One never knows. With that said, the videos that I put out are typically running about 3 months behind. Yes, I have an inventory of videos, just like I have an inventory of things to list and sell. By having an inventory of videos, I have plenty of videos to last me through the winter months when all the garage sales and things dry up. So sometimes what you're seeing me bring home was months ago, sometimes. And what we've sold sometimes is also several months ago. Anyway, I hope I shed some light on my best suggestion, 2 suggestions. Spend less and list what you have. That's my best advice for what it's worth. Okay, let's get started because I have a what sold video for you. And as you know, simple sells for good profit. Couple of things first. I'm going to lose this necklace because it's driving me nuts that it keeps going crooked in the video. And the other thing is I set this what sold video up a little differently. This time, it's by type of material, and the first category is glass. I found this 2-count lot of Luminarc, 500 highball clear panel glasses, paid $2.99 at Goodwill, and sold them for $24.96 plus shipping. All my sales are going to be plus shipping. Another Goodwill find. In fact, I have a pack and ship on this one too, if you like pack and ship videos. It's a 10-inch round stained glass lighthouse theme. Paid $2.99 and sold it on offer for $25. And as I said, there's a pack and ship video. I'm doing some short videos now, so look for the one that says stained glass. This is a restore find. I bought a 4-count lot of these really pretty aqua blue bowls and I couldn't identify them. I did put Crystal d'Arcs France with a question mark in the title, just in case I sort of identified them. Anyway, I paid $4 for the lot of 4 and sold them for $20. I'd like to have gotten more, but I accepted a $20 offer. I guess we've been going to Goodwill quite a bit. These are Anchor Hocking Kimberly Diamond little bowls, fruit bowls, sauce bowls. Paid $4.99 at the Goodwill and sold them on offer for $20. You know, when sales are slow, you tend to take lower offers and send lower offers than what you would prefer. Hey, I'll take the sales. So this is a little bit different. I had bought some glass fruit at a couple of garage sales last summer, and initially I had them set up as a lot of assorted fruit, and it wasn't selling. So I decided to break it into selling each fruit one piece at a time. So I did a listing with variations, and the fruit started selling. Who knew? Not for a lot, mind you, $4.95 each on average, but one buyer bought 3 pieces of fruit, a purple grape, yellow corn, and a lemon. Came to $16.85 plus shipping. Another Goodwill find. In fact, these were featured in one of my videos. I can't tell you which one at this point, but I bought a stack of switchables, nightlight covers. They averaged out to be $1 each, and I sold this cupcake one for $19.95 plus shipping. Do you remember the Netherland Inn video? One of my favorite sales every fall. We were just rooting through this box down here. We found these pretty pieces of glass. Let me back up a little bit. Have no idea whatsoever who makes them, and none of them match. A little jelly jar, I guess, or maybe sugar jar. Odds and ends, but pretty. Oh, I didn't expect that to do that. Okay, they're pretty. Very pretty. I found this glass sugar bowl with a bee on the bottom. I identified it as Higby and a thistle pattern. With everything I bought that day, I think it averaged out to be about $3 and sold it for $25 plus shipping. When you see an even number, it's absolutely from an offer, either sending or accepting. Another Goodwill find. Identified these glasses as Fostoria, gray cutting pattern. Actually found it in one of my books back here, with a pine cut design. They are crystal. Paid $2.99 at Goodwill and sold them for $59.95 plus shipping. It's like, finally, a good sale. Next, what did we sell? That was metal. How about this brass planter? I found it at a church rummage sale. Paid $3 for it, and it sold for full asking price. Yay! Full asking price, finally. $39.98 plus shipping. And recently I put out a fun video on selling brass, complete with my brass sales and bolo tips. This was a find from last summer at a neighborhood sale, garage sale. It was new, unused, made by Universal. It's a travel iron, and its original pretty red case, excellent condition. I did pay $5 for it, but it sold for $40 plus shipping. Here's another metal item, something I've never bought to sell before. Found it at the Goodwill. It's a Velo, I think I'm saying that right, bicycle seat. Paid $3.99 at Goodwill and sold it for full asking price of $29.95 plus shipping. Another Goodwill find, and paid $3.99 for this new Netgear high-speed cable modem, and it sold for full asking price of $29.95. This is an odd category. I'm calling it natural fibers. You'll see why when I show you what's sold in that category. Natural fibers. How about this cute little heart basket made from pine needles? That's natural. I've had it for a long time. I'm pretty certain I got it from a garage sale. Pretty certain I didn't pay more than $2. And it sold on offer for $22. A quick package ship tip. I created my own box lid from some scrap cardboard and stapled the sides. Then I wrapped this in large bubble wrap and put it in a poly mailer. Very lightweight to ship. And the box lid helped protect it from crushing. These crocheted ornaments probably were part of a grab bag. I don't think I paid more than $1. Probably found them at a garage sale. And they sold on offer for $15. I put these Debbie Mum quilting pattern booklets in here because they're made from paper. Figured that's natural. I've had these for so long. Probably paid a couple of dollars for all of them at a garage sale and accepted an offer for $17.01. Yep. This Kim Rogers blouse is made from linen, so I put that in here. Although, if I think about it, the buttons are plastic. Oh well, it sold for $24.95 plus shipping. Okay, so we covered the natural materials. What about synthetic? This Boy Scout patch is synthetic because it's made from polyester thread. It's a 1982 Forward in Our Traditions Section 6 Camp Buck Toms patch. Went to an estate sale, bought a whole bunch of Boy Scout patches. Paid about $2 for it, but hey, don't knock the synthetic patch because it sold for $30 plus shipping. I bought several of these at a local flea market, so it averaged out to be 50 cents. I've done very well with these Bethany Lowe Christmas ornaments. Keep your eyes open for Bethany Lowe. They can sell for decent money. 50 cents to $19.98, not too bad. Before I get too far into this video and forget, be sure to leave a comment and let us know how your sales are going, and of course what your best sales have been recently. Alright, back to the video. Next category, cloth, fabric. What would that be? How about clothing? I know, a little bit different, but I thought it'd be fun to list my sales from what they're made from. And let me just say, I pick up clothing at a consignment shop where I get it for $1. Garage sales or so, typically for $1 or less. So let's just say I paid $1 for each of these pieces, and I'll show you what they sold for. I'm going to go through this fairly fast. This is a cabby size medium tea room cardigan sweater with a removable faux fur collar. Sold for $14.95. This is Apartment 9 Essentials shirt or blouse in black and white. Sold for $14.95. This is a Jones, New York, size small, trying to get rid of those size small, animal print in red and orange with a cowl neck. So yes, it sold for $14.95. I consider $14.95 my clearance price for clothing. And this Levi's Signature women's size large denim jean jacket sold for $14.95. New Directions, size XL, pullover tunic top, pretty top in pink and black, sold for $18.95 plus shipping. And this Kim Rogers Petite XL in multicolor paisley, sold for $20. And a Crown and Ivy women's XL pullover with a half zip, featuring blue elephants, sold for $20. And this is a 3-piece set of Susan Graver, size large jacket with a skirt and matching top, sold for $40 plus shipping. I think I paid $5 for this set at a garage sale. And I've had this for a long time. Jayco brand men's XXL sports shirt, ventilated shirt, athletic shirt, sold for $20. We have over 2,400 items listed in our store, and sometimes the things that have sold go back a little ways. I have better record keeping now, but I can't always remember on some of these items where I bought them or what I paid. So I'll do my best. And our next category is ceramic and porcelain. What did we sell? This is a small ceramic vase. It is Delftware by Alespa, made in Holland. Sold for $20 plus shipping. And this 4-count lot of really pretty blue succulent planters. I'm pretty certain I got them at a church rummage sale. Pretty certain I didn't pay more than $2, and they sold on offer for $22.99 plus shipping. Did I get these at the ReStore? I'm not sure. Did I pay $3? I'm not sure. I think so. It's a 3-count lot of vintage Beruther Waldsassen. Somebody tell me how to pronounce that. They're made in Bavaria, Germany. Cute little plates featuring a bird, bunny, and deer. And they sold for $21. Now this I remember getting at the ReStore. Paid $3 for it. It's a Pampered Chef covered baker, little white stoneware casserole with lid. Thought I would get more for it at the time when I bought it, but accepted an offer of $15. And this one is a recent find from a garage sale, made in Portugal, Smith & Hawken, off-white ceramic flower planter. I used my favorite keyword for white items like this, a farmhouse. Paid $2 and sold it for $17.50 plus shipping. Another Goodwill find. In fact, I think Mark found this one. Probably paid $3.99. and it sold for $25. This sale I do remember because I only paid 50 cents for this cute little bowl. It said Germany on the bottom. It's a stoneware little bowl or pottery dish, great for succulent planters. Bought it at a garage sale, neighborhood sale. For 50 cents, it sold for $17.95. Another Goodwill find, Mark found these. They're Temptations by Tara Black Floral Coffee Cups. We broke it into 2 lots and paid $1.99 for 3 of the mugs, and they sold for $15. Now this plate is an estate sale find. Yes, on a rare occasion we go to an estate sale on a Saturday when it's half price. We're arriving at our first estate sale, and it's a pretty neat property. Look at this house. This plate looks like an antique, but it's a reproduction. It's $1.50. Real things go for hundreds of dollars. I think I'm gonna get this for $1.50. This is a vintage reproduction, Staffordshire, England, green Texian campaign plate put out by the Dallas Society. I wasn't sure what I would get for it, being a repro. It sold for $30, not too bad. And this teapot that sold, I guess it dropped off. Maybe it was slightly over 90 days. I can't find the sale in my phone. I can tell you that it was made for Mary Kay, but I'm pretty certain we sold it for about $30 plus shipping. This is our best sale in this video. It's not in a category, but it's our best sale. We just found these cameras, Canon 299. It's a Zoom Supreme. It says on the top, Sure Shot Supreme. And then Mark has one too. It's a Canon Sure Shot 105 Zoom, and we checked them out on eBay. $2.99 each. I think we'll take a chance, and this one actually has film in it, which is kind of funny. We paid $2.99. A Canon Autoboy 3 Sure Shot Supreme point and shoot camera. We bought a battery and put in it and tested it. Sold the battery with it. Paid $2.99 and sold it for $100 plus shipping. So pretty excited about that. You know, these sales are from April, and that was the month that we took pretty much the whole month off. So it really was hard for me to put this video together. Sales have gotten a little better recently. Not what we had though. We are down, oh my gosh, we are down so much. We're down probably to 1/4 of what we did in December and January. So I'm sure you're feeling it too. And I apologize if I look a little tired or my energy is a little lower than usual, because I am tired. I was up too late last night, woke up way too early this morning, but needed to get this video put together, so we do what we gotta do, right? So yeah, I am a little bit tired. And to be honest, it also is hard to talk to you about slow sales. We're all in this together. Some are doing better than others, and I am happy for everyone. But I know for a lot of us, our sales are down compared to what we have become accustomed to doing on eBay. But don't give up. I mean, what's the point in that, really? Go find that profit pile and go through it. I bet you've got some winners in there. I'm sure you thought you did when you bought them. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'm Vicki with Avante Avenue. We'll see you soon. Simple sales for good profit.